How to set up email marketing campaign in System.io. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to set up email marketing campaign in System.io. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so please keep on watching. First, go to Funnel and choose a funnel that you would like to set up email marketing to. Then, click Edit Page. What you need to understand is before you could do email marketing campaign, you have to know people's emails first. So in order to get their contact, add a prompt here to capture their details. Here we're going to make the first name, email, and get started button. To do this, go to the left side options and under form, click on form input. Next, click on your Get Started input form in the Action when button click section and select Send Form. Make sure to choose to the next step here. Now that you have that set up, you may exit this page. Now, navigate to Emails among the options above and click on Campaigns. Here you can add on your email campaign. Just put a title and then save. Now that we have the campaign, what we have to do next is to add emails to the campaign. First, click on your campaign and tap on Create. Next, fill out the form right here and click Save. Make sure that you have your domain. I do not have one yet, but you can definitely purchase domains in the site itself. Once you're able to save it from here, you can type in the body of your email. Save this by clicking on Save and Publish. Then, click on Activate. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!